train coming, rolling around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. Well, I'm stuck in Folsom prison. The time keeps dragging by. And I hear that train rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. Well, I shot a man in Kutztown just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. Bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car, probably drinking whiskey, smoking big cigars. But I knew I had it coming. I knew I can't be free. But those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. If they freed me from that prison, the railroad train was mine. I bet I'll move it on a little further down that line. Not far from Folsom prison is where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.